Welcome to Travel with Suri. For a unique hiking experience through the heart of the park's volcanic zone, hike the Pambas Hill Trail as it passes steam vents, boiling mud pools, and fumaroles. This gentle 3-mile trail traverses the high elevation landscape, offering access to the hydrothermal wonders created by the groundwater percolating into a hot magma chamber. Welcome to Lassen Volcanic National Park. Pampas Hill Trail is a 6.3-mile round-trip hike located near Kings Creek picnic area. Can you see a boiling water? The tiny gas bubbles escape Lassen's hydrothermal system below, making it appear to be boiling. There was not much boiling going on except the one at the edge of the lake. It is extremely beautiful and reflective. The name of the lake is Cold Boiling Lake, which is 0.8 miles away from the trailhead. From Cold Boiling Lake, a 2-mile one-way trail segment climbs steadily over 750 feet to the eastern end of Pambas Hill Basin. This narrow route passes along a steep hillside. This park is home to meadows freckled with wildflowers, clear mountain lakes, and numerous volcanoes. Lassen is one of California's lesser-known national parks, but certainly not for lack of spectacular scenery or recreational opportunities. That is a Crumpal Lake. It's 1.3 miles away from the trailhead. There is a separate trailhead from Cold Boiling Lake to this lake. The Pampas Hill Trail affords spectacular view of the surrounding landscape, including this beautiful Crumpal Lake, Cold Boiling Lake, and the famous Lassen Peak. Due to the popularity of this trail, the parking area is often full on weekends and holidays. So it is always recommended to start this hike as early as possible. When you reach the Pambas Hill area after about 1.5 miles from the Cold Boiling Lake, you are immediately greeted with the strange colors, loud noises coming from the big boiler, and an overwhelming smell of sulfur. This terrain itself almost looks like an alien planet. These geothermal areas form when water falls from the sky and is soaked into the groundwater. It is then heated by the hot rock and molten lava. From there, the steam rises from the ground and creates the boiling pools and mud pots. The Pampas area definitely reminds me of a mini Yellowstone with a barren, bleached hills and steaming mud pots. The Pampas Hill is one of the best hydrothermal areas in California. The smell of the sulfur is heavy in this area, but the uniqueness of the landscape makes up for the uncomfortable smell. Be sure to stay on the boardwalk. Pampas Hill was named after Cantal Van Hook Pampas, who stumbled on this area in the late 1800s while he was hiking. It is called Pampas Hill because he fell in one of the steam geysers and ended up losing a leg. You can listen to bubbling mud pots, watch the steam escape from fumarole, marvel at the unusual multicolored soil, and watch the boiling pool of water. We found the trail to be easy to moderate and took us approximately an hour or so to get down to the boardwalk. Once you reach the boardwalk area, be sure to keep a watchful eye on any young children, as the ground can reach astonishing level of heat. Lassen Volcanic National Park boasts a fascinating eruptive history that has dramatically shaped the landscape of the area. There are numerous volcanoes within the park as well as wide variety of geothermal areas, including roiling fumaroles, mud pots, boiling pools, and steaming ground. Lassen Volcanic National Park is a lesser known national park in California, which means less crowd and you can enjoy the scenery. Many argue that a trip to Lassen is not complete without a visit to Pambasal, the largest hydrothermal area in the park. This park is around 50 miles from the city of Redding. So if you are nearby Redding or Sacramento, this is a must place to visit. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.